What's up, guys? Pandora, the Postcard Diva. How's everybody doing? Hope you're having a great day today. If you're here for the very first time, guys, please smash that subscribe button for me and click that notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. For everybody else, welcome back. All right, guys, I'm back with Guaranteed Leads IO. I introed it for you guys yesterday, but I want to come back because I actually was doing the What's Up Wednesday and didn't get to point out a few pointers that I wanted to talk about. Now, this system, okay, I'm loving it the more I dig into it and find out more about it. All right, next level automated home business success, endless stream of targeted leads. Now, they have this video right here. I'm telling you, once you opt in, the link is in the description. Go to that link. You're going to see this video. It will explain the details, okay? But why I got started was because of the value that it brings, okay? The Guaranteed Leads Problem Solver. We are an affiliate system and marketing hub designed to connect you to the cash flow and to some of the best automated lead and communication solutions available in the industry. Okay, so I got started because number one, definitely the cash flow, instant payments. You make $75 payments. You receive $75 payments every time you sell this system. Okay, it's member to member. You get paid any way you like. Zelle, Venmo, Cash App, Bitcoin, credit card. Okay, it has an autoresponder. It has all the capture pages, right? But the big value of it all, okay, of course, that's on the front end. But once you get access to this, okay, once you get access to this, you're going to have access to a vendor that offers targeted leads. I know you've heard, oh, everybody offers targeted leads, right? What makes this one different, okay, is they are going to follow up with the leads for you. Basically, they're going to do all the work for you. That's what makes this different, okay? I'm going to cover a few things that they will do for you here in a second. But that's what made me want to get started with it, because it's a low ticket, $75 commissions. Of course, I have higher ticket digital programs, but this is a tool, okay, guys, that you can use to help you promote your business, okay? So on the front end, you earn these $75 commissions, but you're going to have access to these resources, the targeted leads, the vendor that will call, that will text all your leads for you, email your leads, follow up with these leads, and then notify you every time these folks click the link, okay? Whatever link you tell them you want your prospects to go to. So that's what makes this different, okay? Not to mention, you're going to get paid on these services. If you refer folks, when folks come in here and they sign up with you, right, they buy this program, $75 payments, right? It's $125 for this system. $75 goes to your inviter, $50 goes to the company, okay? You're going to receive $75 over and over and over. Your first sale, you're going to make $75. Your second sale passes up. Wonderful. Now, all your new business partners, once they get access into the back office, they're going to see these services. When they purchase these services, you get paid a commission on that as well. Okay? So you're getting paid on the system, this system here, Guaranteed Leads IO. And if they buy these services, you make commissions there, and you can promote your primary business in the back office as well. So when your new members sign up, they're going to see your primary business, okay? So for $125, you're getting access to some good stuff, because with this company doing the work for you, you're going to just be able to relax. I'm going to show you some, well, I'm going to make a point to some of the services that they offer here in a second. All right, the power of now. When you combine GL, which is Guaranteed Leads IO, with the lead generating services that's in this system in the back office, You create an extremely powerful money-making system, a system where 95% of the work is done for you. And once qualified, you get $75 on every sale. Okay, so your first sale, like I just said, you get paid on your first sale. Then your second sale passes up. The system will do that automatically, and you keep every sale after that. But everybody will pass up their second sale, so that's going to give you leverage with the system. Okay, now let's keep going here. So check out how we create leverage for you with our comp plan, which I just explained, the reverse 1-up. Okay, John is your inviter. When you purchase GL from John, he earns a commission. Cha-ching. He earns $75. Your first sale is Holly, and you earn commissions from Holly. You got your $75 back, right? Your second sale is Donna, and she is your reverse 1-up qualifier, so she passes up. Okay, on this sale only, you pass up Donna to your inviter, John. See, the 75 goes up, and you qualified. And from there going forward, you keep every $75 sale on and on and on and on. But all your new members are going to pass up to you their second sale. Okay, powerful new system. The ultimate resource hub. That's why they're saying that, because it has resources in the back office. Targeted real-time leads you can handle for any business or even a crypto income opportunity, guys. Promote your primary business, promote the guaranteed lead system, and earn from the multiple streams of income in the back office. Okay, from providing services to people that need it, which is online marketers, right? So every time they buy these services, you're going to make a commission. So this makes this the one-stop shop for promoting multiple income opportunities for only $125 one time, no monthly fee. Okay, so right here they point out what's included. Check out the picks and shovels. Okay, available on the inside. Multiple tools earn multiple income streams. Targeted leads, automated SMS communication. This is key right here. Okay, SMS. Email marketing, lead marketing. All right, my picture hadn't posted on here yet. All right, and they have a little frequently asked question little section right here, which I think is pretty cool. GL is a collection of some of the best automated lead and communication tools in the home business industry based on 15 years of full-time experience. Not only can you use these third-party tools to help explode any business, but you can earn affiliate commissions when any of your referral purchases them from the back office. Okay, how do I make money with guaranteed leads? IO. It's an affiliate opportunity. You earn $75 instantly on every sale you refer. You'll also earn potentially infinite $75 leveraged overrides from your team via the reverse 1-up comp plan. Lastly, you earn affiliate commissions from any of the picks and shovels your referrals purchase from the back office. This little $125 one-time fee program has massive earning potential via multiple streams of income. Okay, cover a little bit of this. Again, we can't show you the vendor because you need to be a paid member. Okay, so here's just a quick look of how it will work. So the publisher, the vendor that's in the back office, they have real-time high investment leads. Okay, they are compliant. The company obtains written permission to be contacted for each lead. Okay, the company call center phone verifies and interviews each lead for authenticity, tongue twister, authenticity and accuracy. Okay, lead information uploaded. Once verified, leads are automatically loaded into the SMS text autoresponder, and the proven drip follow-up text sequence begins. Okay, this is their process. Okay, you're not going to have to do anything with it. This is what this company that I'm talking about is going to do for you. Okay, this is what they're doing. Then what happens is you're notified. Number 5, you're notified in real time when your leads click the link and visit your website. And it's going to come to you and say, hey, you got a hot lead. Okay, because what they're doing for you, sending these text messages, is going to make the prospect take action. When they take action and they click the link, whatever this company is texting them, they click the link to send them to your capture page or wherever you want them to go. This company is going to notify you. Okay, you're going to get a text and an email to say, hey, hot lead, they just clicked your link. Okay, so that gives you a notification. So targeted lead follow-up. Hot leads are entered into a highly targeted follow-up drip campaign designed to close the sale. All other leads continue to receive automated drip texts indefinitely until they become a hot lead. Unsubscribe or until you turn the system off because you can't handle any more success. Okay, so they're saying unless they unsubscribe or you decide, hey, I'm getting too many of these lead notifications coming in, I need to turn this thing off. This is the sequence of how this is going to work. Okay, so this is a great service. So guess what? Your job is to buy a campaign. That's it. And this company is going to do the things I just listed here. Okay, that's what's in the back office. Okay, so you'll have access to that. And yes, they charge for this service, but it's a great service. And again, every time your folks purchase the service, the company is going to send you a commission for that. So up front, you're going to get commissions for people getting this system, the guaranteed lead system, $75. Then when your people go in here and they buy this service from this vendor, click your link that's in the back office, this company is going to send you a commission for that, guys. Okay? All right, so this is a great resource to have access to. Everybody's not having access to this resource, and it's already been proven because the person I signed up with and they signed up with had started to use this service, and that's when they decided to add it into the back office of this system, Guaranteed Leads IO. So let's take a look at some of the capture pages in the back office. All right, so we're in the dashboard here. Okay, I've sent out a few emails on it, but I've got a great campaign that's set up that should be going out in the next few days. But right here is your contacts. I'm not going to click that because I've had some opt-ins to come in. I don't want to show people's emails. But the marketing tools, which is the capture page, is here. Okay, and I think I just showed you one. Let me show you one. The primary one I'm using. Show you the one I'm using that I like right here. Check this one out. You're just minutes away from discovering how you can put $75 cash into your pocket multiple times per day without having to pick up the phone, chase prospects, or answer any questions. Why is that? Because if you use that service that's in the back office, they're going to do the marketing for you by using those leads. Okay, you're going to purchase the lead package and they're going to do the work for you. All right, so this is one of the capture pages. Let's take a look at a few more. Here's another one. This is a good one as well. Okay, I like this one too. Need leads? Everybody does. Discover how to solve marketers' lead problem and make $75 over and over. 100% automated affiliate system connects marketers to the best lead and communication tools on the internet. That's a good one. Okay, here's another one. Brand new video motivates people to take action and send you $75 payments via Cash App, Venmo, and Zelle. So that's another one. This is a good one right here too. Love this one. Discover an opportunity to make automated hands-free money from home. Just say no. Okay, that's a good one. And there's another one. They have lots of these back here, guys. Now, this system comes with the capture pages. It comes with the autoresponder as well. Right here, it shows you autoresponder. You can broadcast to these leads that come into the back office. You can track them. They haven't added the banners yet, but they're going to have banners as well. Resources right here. And then account information. This is where you're going to set up your payment option. Make sure your profile is set up. Put your picture there. How do you want to get paid? You want to list that in there. And then, of course, picks and shovels center. That's where these resources are, as well as where you're going to put your primary business in that section. So when people sign up with you and they go to this particular page here, okay, just like I am, when they log into the back office and they go to picks and shovels, they're going to see a button that says, here's your inviter's primary business opportunity. And when they click there, that's where they're going to see your primary business, got it? Okay. And then here, of course, referrals, where all your referrals will go, and your commissions, guys. So for $125, great little system they created. It's very affordable. $75 instant commissions any way you want. Now, what I found is when you accept credit card payments, you're set up quicker. In other words, like when I got signed up, you have to wait for your inviter to mark you paid, which is no big deal as long as you got your smartphone with you wherever you are. They have to, you know, they're going to get notified. They're going to get their payment. Then they're going to log in and mark you paid. But if you do it with a debit card, I'm hearing that it'll be instant. Okay. So great system. Check this thing out. The link is in the description. All right. And for my people that's joining me in my other programs, the high ticket programs, the $400, the $800, the $1,500 commissions, the $1,000 commissions, I'm going to purchase this service for you guys. Okay. So this is going to be a great bonus to have if you come in at $400, $800, $1,500, or the $1,000 commissions at Exodus. All right, guys. So reach out to me if this sounds like something you're interested in. Go ahead and join me in this, and then we will talk about it. One more thing. What I do like that the way he set this up, you can't just create an account and get access to the back office. You know, typically people just sign up. They never make a payment. With this one, they're not going to let you have access to the back office until you're a paid member. So you must be a paid member to get access to the back office. Otherwise, it's just a shell account. Okay, a shell account, no payment has been made. So you've got to sign up, make your payment. Okay, check out this page. Want to make automated hands-free money from home? Just say no. No selling, no explaining, no convincing, no closing, no phone work, no follow-up, no website, no product, no advertising, no techie stuff. Great pages, guys. All right, so look forward to working with you in this program. Guaranteed leads. Get your system today. Don't forget to smash it. Smash the subscribe button for me and click the notification bell so you can be notified when I upload new videos. Okay, be safe out there. See you on the next video. Have a blessed day.